guys! Welcome to our channel, Team Pesino. So we're staying at the Furama City Centre Hotel in the heart of Singapore, and I'm so excited to show you around. From Chinatown MRT station, exit B, it's just a quick 5-minute walk to the hotel. It's super easy and convenient. This hotel is perfectly located right in the middle of all the action, making it the ideal spot to explore the city. In this vlog, we'll be checking out the rooms, the amenities, and some cool things you can do around here. So let's get started and see what this place has to offer. So this is the hotel's lobby. The staff here are super accommodating and friendly, which made check-in really smooth. The restaurant is also located on this floor, so you've got some great dining options right here. Oh, and check this out. There's a self-service Starbucks kiosk right here. This kiosk is actually where you'll do your self-check-in. You just scan a guest passport, input a few details, and you're good to go. By the way, we're a group of 11 and we booked 4 rooms. From here, we'll just walk straight to the elevators and use the key cards provided to head up to our room. Alright, let us show you our room for the next 5 days. So we've got 2 single beds and the room is really spacious and cozy with carpeted floors. Here, we have an electric kettle, mugs, and some complimentary coffee, sugar, and cream to enjoy. There's also a mini refrigerator to keep our drinks cool. For entertainment, we've got a TV and a working desk, so it's perfect if we need to get some work done. And check out the view from our room. We can see the Singapore Flyer, which is pretty awesome.
Kita yung Singapore Flyer. Sayun.
Now, moving on to the toilet room, they have provided towels, toothbrush, toothpaste, and tissues since there is no bidet here. The shower has both hot and cold water, and we've also got a bathtub for a nice relaxing soak. Shampoo and bath gels are provided, so we're all set for a comfortable stay. And here's a nice touch. There's a full body mirror on the door. Everything we need for a great stay is right here. The room we booked includes a breakfast buffet, so let's check out what's on offer. We're excited to share with you all the delicious options we've got here in the restaurant for breakfast.
Kaya toast. Ang cereal. Ikaw pwede ka mag-waffle dito. Waffle. Ito egg. Egg. Ikaw na to, your apple juice.
Oh, and by the way, there's also a swimming pool here at the hotel. Perfect for relaxing after a day of exploring the city. And that's a wrap for our stay here at Furama City Centre Hotel. We've had an amazing time exploring the hotel and the city, from the comfortable rooms to the awesome amenities. If you're ever in Singapore, this place is definitely worth checking out. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more of our travel adventures. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.